Hey, let me show you what you can do if you cannot connect your earbuds, headphones, or for example speaker into your Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus. So first of all, I will actually start with some base tips. Basically just switch off Bluetooth on your phone, close the case, or basically switch off your headphones, and then just simply enter for pairing mode. So that's how it actually looks in my case. I have to click and hold some button. Sometimes when the pairing mode doesn't actually pops up on your device, then you have to try to connect a cable, the charging cable, into your case or headphones, and then try to enter for the pairing mode. Then turn on Bluetooth and wait for available devices list. Try to find your headphones, earbuds, or speaker, tap on them and accept pairing request. But if it is still not working, then you can try to perform reset of your device, of your Bluetooth device, or additionally, if it still doesn't work, you can try to perform reset of the Bluetooth settings by going into more connectivity options and clicking just right here to reset all network settings. So now tell me if it works and then please leave a like.